Hello, everybody. Welcome back to SSP Crack Exams. I'm Anuradha, and I'm back with a session on the most important things that you must take care of during your SSP personal interview. Now, the personal interview is one-to-one direct interaction in the SSP. The PI is taken by the interviewing officer IO and lasts for 30 to 40 minutes approximately. During this interview, the IO assesses your personality and makes up his mind about your recommendation. It is therefore most important to display the best of you by overcoming all odds and by taking care of certain mistakes that you should avoid making during your SSB personal interview. So let's start with the most important things for your SSB PI. But before that, let me tell you that now you can prepare for the different defense competitive exams by just logging on to our website ssbcrackexams.com or by downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store. You can also subscribe us to our YouTube channel, our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and join our Telegram group. So let's start with the first thing that you need to keep in your mind during your SSP personal interview, and that is to fill up the personal information questionnaire or PIQ form properly. The PIQ is exactly like the contents displayed in the index of a book. It gives an initial blueprint of the candidate to the IO as it is the first thing he reads before the personal interview. Hence, PIQ needs to be carefully filled in and with precision. Fill personal information like name, address, educational details, family details, participation in sports, extracurricular activities, responsibilities held, etc. properly and neatly in your best of handwriting, as it reflects a lot about your personality. Avoid making any kinds of spelling mistakes, cuttings or strikings of words, and overwriting, and also avoid writing any kind of false statements in the PIQ form. The next thing that you need to remember is to create the first good impression. How you present yourself is how people first see you. First impression is the last impression. You make the first impression the way you dress up, like wearing well ironed, clean, and starched clothes with well polished shoes. Greet well politely when you enter the room and give a firm handshake if and when offered. The next thing that you need to keep in your mind during your SSPPI is to maintain a well maintained and a proper body language. Sit straight and look up. Maintain eye contact and avoid unnecessary movements. Get relaxed and keep a constant smile on your face. It is said that smile and confidence do wonders. It shows your keen interest, activeness, and enthusiastic nature. Speak with interest and vibrance in your voice by proper voice modulation wherever necessary. Pay attention. Attentively listen to the questions put forward to you by the IO. Your concentration helps you to keep the sequence of rapid fire questions in your head and reply well with organized ideas. Be positive and optimistic in your overall outlook and rationally answer the questions. Your views with consideration and valid logics are appreciated. Hence, avoid any kind of unnecessary conclusions in arguments with the interviewing officer. The next thing to avoid in SSPPI is not to bluff. Your truthful nature and authenticity are the primary requirements. So be a good speaker with genuine thoughts and expressions. If you try to bluff and lie about your achievements or hobbies or boast about something you have not done, it leads to a question mark on your originality and credibility. Hold the attention of the listener by being genuinely honest and take up your downfalls with grace. If you get stuck somewhere because of lack of knowledge on a subject, frankly, accept being unaware of it. The next thing that you need to keep in your mind for the SSBPI is to brush up your knowledge. Do proper self introspection and be ready to tackle the trickiest questions put up to you by the IO. No one knows you better than yourself. Hence, analyze yourself properly from your past, present, and to your future approach. How you present your thoughts and ideas in your SSP personal interview is more important. Develop an understanding of the things happening around you in the society, the country, and the world. Formally address the queries in the most comprehensive and optimistic way. Overall, remember that SSP wants a prospective candidate with realistic and logical approach who can lead the team and work perfectly in a team. Prove your worth for the recommendation. Yes, you have it in you. So I hope that this video has proved useful in order to do the most important things and to keep these very important things that I've just discussed in this session in your mind while you are going for your SSP personal interview. If you want to now prepare for the other aspects of the SSP interview at the comfort of your home, you can do so by ordering these books from Amazon or Flipkart. You can also visit us on our website SSP Crack Shop and order these books from there. The links for these books are given in the description below, so you can just click on the links and order them off. That will help you to prepare better and in a much more efficient way than the other candidates appearing for your SSP interview. So I'll see you next with some more informative and helpful videos that will help you to ace your SSP interview. Till then, you need to trust in yourself and you need to work hard. Stay motivated. Jai Hind.